Rubbish that is all the way so I'm listening Welcome to another episode on Film Music Timeline at KFTV. So, come out from my on the being trash up. I cannot really Piergo Yila. When she come down by damn mama, they demon your jump cut my letter on Film Music Timeline. So, and so this is the first time ever, and I will say after the launching of KFTV Ghana officially. This is our biggest interview after 10 Labna because Tamala artist cinema Katien Zamba Waha and near artist no Katien Zamba Waha man. No bang the one Zelba Sham Dalbang friend. So near Yellow Sham short car like we have 100 years no puncher artists. Katien Zamba Unkwahome Sheta Common House or on KFTV. So Tamala program Karakana annually. I dwell Chua Boys. Tamala Fire Fest Karanong every year, and I can't recall the number of years. But this year edition got a Boiba Gang Theatre one. Got it in yet in Bani and Zanzam the Shamzampa. You know, born to my Fire Fest Carnival. Dinian non sham. So, Uncle Changla Senior, I mean, director, son, Leon Belama. That Senon Marhabi, can you room my share in the Bazante, Dagbang Nama, Domi Dagbang Fair Festival to Akatina. Senior, welcome to KFTV.
Thank you.
Director, and put a manager in that day, Nena being Gahan Welki, Ikiana program one. TV in Nambala, Chua Boys. Fire Fest, be that one Fire Fest. Car the pilgrim bon, carry me bahagun bon, but no one not introduction of the program, catching to Ashel Yam. I can't really bombard a flyer. Dana yellow car fly man, back on load and date can work at sing a date and other things. To whom yellow pam the young, a whom yellow shaman, but Uncle Woman and Chang, I mean Leo. Yellow be senior, cat senior come on. Fire Fest ma, yili in the Benyaya. Dingy each to so hero, to a year, I mean, dog bang like Bon Trouble, but about being. But you decide to choose Bon Trouble annually, a celebrator as Dagbamba. Ya pull car idea, my dad, and now we're a boiling at Zangla, that's the idea, Martin, and you know.
To da dia manu ku ina chef lonyala I dwell trap boys
No.
The art bit music am bang te zamti da bang
No.
and to dwell me in the trap boys ben yer shanga dem be jahogone kar viala be kar de viala
No.
dat nan ka mat bu pensarle
No.
trap boys to bahar menire be te tir la taba
No.
som sene no always come to make a relation like at Zanta Atma.
No.
Let it make it come out the impact positive.
Yeah.
No. So I can't tell her Buncho.
No.
Daniela kama chosha ti yanma.
No.
Kama tia ya kamuli da gombe be quality da bang. Kama ne tia da bang ma. Des amiti kama de to do monaza. Mbiya mutsir kama de thank you so my to kuti da bang des amiti la la choma de nyala one of choshanga kama de yanma mama no ku zale de pela shepulo ka to mule na ka shepulo mi ka zan titina de yanma ku zale and aka tele to wana to bi hago de mala kama de tinye shele to kurlame kali tabre dire benzan shangana tititi and kama damba ne jeo de viel pam de tapte kale and bihagone de pala kama bihagona be shayi viel ka di le pa di mo pa amade kama de santalenya damba
Okay.
li ha chobe chimsu cho santalenya ko nyuru cho santalenya
Okay.
amia agbana yara shamba ama dagbanle anye pin fia botra mala tu chure
Okay.
pin fia bo
ala de mangba ngum de manajin
hal mangba ba mira no shamba because the land kan hal ni kura ko biane ka ko zo jirka bo wala ka pin choda pour to explain because oben yale
wow
so tukula ti yan man zal shale agba ya so katle no buamcho de nyala one of the kama chorashal dem besimsin repchi because aka tele dagban le pune deno kunye kama de tuba yumpale kama sinmi sinmale chira mantin ma January amya kama de January yuko kana no new year to te dagban matba new year ni shamba but karman la de chirme so katia no chabo istizama te dagban so de nyala be shadam jela ka kware te vien yala so katia no de simsin te labni rend denda mo sistema nyala buamira to ara de dance pam o yakazanya halka nyavia yirba so katia no de simsin te zanta atma nto chaka nirba bami buam trouble got advice because niro pambum the music kama don kushia yarongo banya wumti yeto ade ya so got advice solo buam no torsham odo to badiji batara boharla banyar bangdwa ka bo to buam no torsham so entenda ko le first year casualties ko dance dra balgam dra ko balgam halka anyagwa katidina pam sasu kazan le chant TV stations kaptum miale de nyanga hale katna mama la non de voilà TV stations ma cham no pa moule me bapa mole men panon de le wakar lampa te no bor sham wala ko bonne te nang bane ka te to tire jahago so deux ou quatre ko tra non le men ka di tere ko te kale ne taada ka ba tu wiya de punchi hal bal cha ten yaron wa da bal ma hal de ba turin chan ma de turin chan da ban wiya de pia ben yara pan pia so the same thing bon choma de bara turin ma ka te no de so se ne te taba ka te pense dama a cheka item an yisha pulona mbati hane amba ko
Leo kan onwene katuguma mbom na teaching senior ngona take it through like this Dagbang Fest Fair Dagbang Fair Festival like in the near future what do we see like yatin yele in you ndema in ku yuna te non de ma jeka to bwana te pabi unwo ka to bwana te Dagbang
tuli mpo mo kapaya mon kam non ka taraka bobe te jingoma I cannot really kama tuzo ne diga shema niama ni chanta pashema in the near future where do we want to see initiative ngoma sometimes the malman the non-demand and dama pam because more current affairs pam so to Dwell TV ne ben yare ka ta kunya ka season shanga biene hali TV station shanga ka mal festival train no ben yare ka chen te cover tensene be yes festivals but there is no day kan tunya ten wana so the nyala nyulizan tama hali te preview don't te den da bala be ben sha we made the effort so that chan ya hali to TV3 to come and capture one didn't make a COVID now kanama so that we do not possible so we lost contacts but we are still pushing because our country festival is very unique come yearly they want to be part so in the near future what we want to do is the Bonne Desane as one of the unique festivals we have in Ghana yes so that little part about Hale people in the diaspora they can come down and then be part of yes. Kachi tempi di shema do the porkabo porma che tenji sa shero da shep to yiro nyon polo because of initiative ngoma kanate paharakatana so want to expand it kada nang the nyala national spectacle so that the world will see it as little kana we Ghana festival and the people in the diaspora want to come and be part and in la line man the to generated foreign exchange ka generated ka created employment ko ban kan na ma ban di kanyu ban je sam bayana da ban yare ban da tinyama ta ban ma na ta ban yare so it goes to boost the economy so that is where we look forward to seeing initiative in the nearest future possible.
To director and lab nasan jo table na ko take it through a 1 week celebration activities shanga den yan kana lala Dagbang Fair Festival
Activities they start this coming Saturday. Kula asoro don ko kano. And they start health walk.
Okay.
So tina health walk bane temal gala matches me.
Okay.
So kamale art display. So kananchi lecture about the bon torbo ton ko nroko explain to ashama. Kama te tumbu bandba kam yelto bom no to asham. Den simsene tizang ben yer shanga yina bom. So ka advice it. So the bwa kunyala the session kananchi boma mama trouble.
Okay.
Don't you know to trouble. So tina canon concert kama dema.
Okay.
So don't put your
so that means nirbo pam biya ne the bonfire fest. I remember nirbo pam mine could be la tin chiang la no show ma da yung ma nirbo pam mine biya then. So activities mama yung be sama the two no baza like almost every activities na ka wala ka participate because I will the man la the danfane ni biela activities man pampa nangar biel ko se da like tin biel ta on the share Chinatown wala e don kunya kama ten dinti wahala ten non wala so ka tin biel ko se okay no bwana yesha about the industry fairness to our boys because industry ma we will ne yira kunya la bong mende to champion but din nan kara chang te tab maybe iya biara because the cake kan ka you know the ndwel kale no mo ka di strict ka ba beat ba ka to avoid strap ma industry ma as a whole are they being fair to like in the one of the attention sham but tablet compared to other kama sharpening on the shoes?
No, they were not fair.
Okay.
And boys they made a sort of cover.
Okay.
Because now one large television show.
Okay.
I think my money into Zoza senior.
No.
Come on, mala. Then you have a show.
No.
But very fast. But to have 10 years time.
Okay. Wow.
Come on, the industry work and
yeah.
Boys then you have a show. Come on, very fast. But to have come on 10 years time. Come on, in Sahale.
Okay.
Come on, Liga Shamaton for your branded t-shirts on Boys and start.
Come on, no.
On couldn't design pumper Boys and start.
Okay.
Management Boys and start.
Okay.
Yila yellow voy. Then I'm starting the Karzai and the Queen. That's about zone. Young what is going on.
Wow.
So the same thing here, Fireface.
Okay.
But I've no fatity.
Yeah.
But I mean the two and a half. Beneath it in the but understand it and know.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Senior. Show my daddy to kind climax na to kind of channel more na to you. To me for me to avoid none the performance member to know to myself. Anton yelte daler shares or then check so ina me punye performance ka miya kala daler ma so check the tuno kana ngwa
la daler ma kunya la Chua Boys.
Okay.
The daler ma kunya Chua Boys.
Wow.
Because nearby di shahara pam.
No.
The hality dem asaba. Kala ma di share wuntane. I can handle women yasin shelma. I am women yasin garla be because we believe in one thing. Kama didn't yilama though it's a free show. Didn't yilama so ne to malo phone the baby in radio ko enjoy.
Yeah.
So buka is a pie what value will you add to la yilama wumboma kadilan ma to yasam. So sometimes then guide the stage art the performances we try to add value to yilama then nyasa mande appeal and then zalade ko so value deneka en stage ma zan pai belan ko nyasa won mer yilama nyasa shilo na ko nyasa gare on yi le shema so it guides the performances net art so then ngona kama ba shemo nervo mama di shahara but to ko yene bopo mitan na le shema the day we got to realize that be then Piliti Habone Sahala Yakanna. That was when Kati Pili preparations. Okay. And all things being equal, ma then change ma is in line. Okay. We hope that then to achieve it and bond to set it the before the day ma Kato Zang the expected stage at be performances.
Okay.
Seloma.
Okay. Alright, NT pun pay to our to our idea share e costuming based since that and no kunya you are really high like in indoor states and dress of sound almost 80 to 70% it portray la like culture. So I mean inye kama ito nye like answer say inye mbwale la be kama bwe kipia kama temi ka yon yili inde swara jin yang bla like pa vanin parte pa ka die chien na but he decided he change anyway for years. Mina jon ko ya kai to dan she to ko decide no so tie no but for years ma I mean wula ibo de maybe kama like was okay kuna sister nine the no ko tia sa jo aba si ko yin an wa ne
ma ta kan yalla kan to zo shi le bia ma da kan pun yalla ma ye twa boys ne ta shi de te kraba no fast kama gumpia ona tale then that start hal de shana be Facebook banda to ban ma
den kan yara
so but
ndo zo ya so so ra ya
no to ban ma be jetrese so be pine to part so be pan part still so pe kona
okay
so be yake yin kara part batara kuno nan ta haya no da kusum sunu binya nyen artist Kamal Brand ne rota hala brand nyam ka tun sudu no ka de nyam kama to pana on pam kama hal sometimes but to kujia ka so ku dress la northern costume ma shele nduna stage to abes bi mje ne man but first thing fan kama fan no ko entinya la to abes lu ko enti understand ya so la ba nyama wa bra to pam o tan pan ma je dress ka to kumi amazon hale bonko ko ba shan bo midre ha ben jar platform sa bi channel ba ka ben dress shela la dress so mama wo hun kama tin yi shelna to mal to nuza tele
okay
yeah
all right that is the tune that bound nano be kama won fubiar kayana tara so the tune imal share karnya laban man tin yala because email will ka decide tm zam promoter that I believe even high gafara high email identity garna shaba because tana talking na ko ye bone kanon mo kane there zam no always to no looker or representer on abek he decide ka stay okay mbom no mbwanya tempiele the years man mbeto ka tempiele ya I mean support can because the chance to tap on trouble to kane to adama no borna yes support mo shenya kama to nya rotru na ma kayana ta'ala na bisham be ka dangba kama maybe politicians but in the one local authorities I mean even my support in Laugh Festival be political leaders
support on not in challenge in Yale it's been zero.
Okay, wow.
Though budget involved but not easy.
Wow.
But support has been zero. Come on here in involved then the tunable coalition. But on at the problem I always my in your platform in here lame factors being affected the sector come northern region mane chena be sector man ka undergoing steady can you bench 2 factors affected negatively across all sectors ka entertainment konko anya the religion the culture they affected the PAM negatively because the yila lo she polo na karman la kama she nkamna ta suhi before hale the line ya karinya very positive initiative the endola te za de za te za chan maybe kaso kam kan no to suhi ko mino mal sonsum o jin ka bol man ko to bakana moyen yelm nana bakana ma zo amba kana ti hero nan bol sonsum so obien garma anyela abo but maybe karinyela ngbane yurshanga ka to ben ya ne sai kan to zon kele sheb zoma da ba paga kan adana to jin ka bolma kan kana ka za ha ban ti nan shem pushi ka da ban ma chan da ko nan la and the other side ma minyela religious aspect ma so di jiaka to song but considering commentary shared in China in the religious circles ma about the festival na mona na be yar ma uzorla dabe zonwoy nangle ko yuli na bi ane san wumo yuli on bu bonno wumle lo share so the chamaka la nirma be di beto support ra do share pound be ma but looking at the budget ma kama ye ni for share ma be tembo ne de pa share ma de nyela ba mala nu tembo ne initiative ma ti attend the chance share mo about 10% of tembo to achieve objective share be nu de be de ne I believe that ngo to achieve about 80%.
Wow.
Because things is share mo sokuto yina tanale ka be in the twa voice go twase. So the position leme. So the only thing will be authorities ma banang banang to la banma they should put hands on deck so that we push it. But it's not coming. So I believe that we know the MBN nanchang 80%. To me nang kazang the contacts na ben yarapa nerwete hala we are working on because them be shama akoto ye banna kadijia ne biane de sabla hen nang. So I share ka bin shana banang finance no involve kana ka hale 50 Ghana di entwe den ba so por bill ma is too much ka so kamza zo kana to encham so njia kamale the songsam then usela media woman appeal they can reach out to us and humbly will come and then hale so imal pago den ne so imal pago den ne onto boltena ka zamzamia maybe tin to your line share ma ta de leher le mongo ama traditionally be dagban le ti di changalongo they are no more rich in culture ma to nkachi the nation I ma gare tin chen shema we push it in and then or the Congo katamala the katamala but this year God being so good ma ngala we are getting positive signs from the political side ma though kabaza non positive but we are getting positive signs kasi Tamale North constituency MP has shown a lot of interest in it. Hale o parte pa wo shanga kaya ne den nan karapon enchangwa so maybe subsequent editions ma we'll see how we can fuse in other stuffs to make it bigger. So commanded the year ma maybe pompon oban na nyer la ma local authorities ma nu ide bi den ne maybe over a long time. Maybe last 2 or 3 editions ma ka bi so then the edition share did be year la year to ana ba pran la no ne di nkaden na ma den cheka dey. So last side ma ona it's been 0 but God being so good we are pushing.
That is sad. And second question ma be last question ma gba ka ko answer ma bet mbo na te year to avoice no ma year to looking at Fire Fest, Ian Pushy, promotion on then Ian tele like last year the statement of Shaka. I believe Freaky on the channel or something. Why not Carabina Kamaya a paid show maybe in Tamale Sports Stadium? That you avoid not was on the board, maybe making more money.
Ka paid show concours until now.
Okay.
Hale free concert on want to know the work of la gare are no the work at if I need tabrababe I need sponsors understand cashew come in your page show because Fire Fest on ya la bon to ma nyala yum paleti te dabamba so and haltire mali yukoba trakwan non ka chola sa zibdiem diano
wow
ya kama beden ka to kulam so lo ka to kudikanyo tire mali ko tire because yeah to you pale nenye shara and fasma the cosmsene kasa shall come simsene tire no ben yara tsaba ka ne always come banko come na to gwara banko come na to gwara the simsene non na ka tsara babazo once a while ka tsaka babako enjoy ka bana ka ban tawra te shama to ba retena ben shao to zantaba en wami ngwar nyala dagbang dene nyala dagbang dene so to ko tsama yo no don wona de basum sunre ni yo ka hale the team atrajin mo batra bonne de non la sports stadium Ali Mahama Sports Stadium. Karkunyi free.
Okay.
But wala kan da trabtu tenda zahma.
Yeah, kartuma.
Yama.
Concert like this smart tune like ayeni ya the my sports stadium man my problem. Concert like this smart tune soba toko. Like
abum ni yelma kama hale wala kan yelma halten and more son toku deal it but sometimes ke to azaka ti for wonder but toku min kama di ku chana inshallah don't ko tahar sham de tizana because to boys since then started the wala ngonyer bu
Steve 6 years
wow karanya to skip la corona ma
covid ma year ma
yes ma one wa yika covid ma da ko carbon
wow
mon par de bu yow le zahata na mbanta non sham
okay
although shab sonda
wow
but at the end so some shade yan karawa ba hal de biam perge de biam yo pergele but tan ko mbanta yan non sham non le and te pa na won pam because hal first ma bu ngoli razan ba so mi gwana bu ngol zania ato ko shi jan sanya bu
to yeah
amazon chimsu chokna ka
alen zang man fundir dan fa so nde zang
zo chimsu chokne ka to biama ama nero shapun tarla bumma ne to sha
okay
so te par na so ton ko bor shamba ka ba ka to bora to ko bor na te bannan ka duniya nan ban ne ka damba ko ni te kare bete kemen te tara damba ne chansha ma to so palgia ka to ba man lutam pam damba na ba to kulam bon bon ma zale because bon denda pun ton you help foi ka tran ba damba so
okay
bon don ku ton ma damba te yawe na zanjina sahaka damba fo
okay
bon denda kun ton hal kaptana do ati yab na zanjina ma
wow
ni ko ne yelta sha so ka kalbelam ba kama donc nyala wulla tapte but kama to kurla me to kurla me
hadar tunara ba mai ba so den da ba ka da ba
mo rabjare ba den kuma no hango bo biam pa aba den kuma mami ni kurama sahawa hale dugon yil twaf kam da ndila banjur so kam ma shanga pa goma
wow
yil kam den da bo ngobra nam da ba den da ma ko pa bele ka yin chana ko adu da ko wana te nan ka je do nyasa ba den nan ka kartuma so to ko sohla te dagba so kam cham wayana yile be won shu ka wumna ma ne yelsha tere yina na danse ba de pa ku bu amma so ko biya kama ay yi chang da ne nyala da
amma mane da biya men ce kan ba to hay chang ba ha bra ta fu ma bu to ma ba dra na ma
so kama tene ya twao tana pa na woni kurama zan sim biya ne and no ko la yi jin pa kala le fonche ka bu panda mo pa nya da nya shao
okay
ni kurama be chele jere so hala ko non de bomba ko torba ko nya ni kura ganda moya banye no kuba ka be biara na gbab dambane ka be zang le caractère zo sa ngo bien faleme because agbab damban shere trezo sa kalma men ni shamba dama tum bo hasham na binda barga kaptan to boshi yo men da ya be min ra chena bra gbabla da sa ben yara so kalma ni shamba anda sani yabo so be shami yin nan ka shel nan so dan da nan kaptin ya nama ka nama zalle karnya yunu kam bando leme so deme da nan makarnya la first month of the bangol ma kar da so ti yana matra chaka bu hala bahyu ne kama bon to mon kam tor bon shabda yane ana ngone ana no to bo hani ko na ka na so nzam bon to da bambon ko mon kam tor bon mo wolum da ba
hal de ngaya temin mampro na no kan ko
matanum nya dagbang ma
dan kan
mampro gu zabad den wana ngon kam tor bo mo wala wana so de subsana to pansele
okay to senior ti ya to aboise to atok to tam ba sha bangba biye yon yara tum bo na ba bang ta kalbe ka mo le be ka college maybe ben ma carnival ma dale is it that the official ban shafka beneto ka te tap song la dia mama
officially the car list because in you let it that bang ma
okay
and that notwithstanding ma so comes ami kuto la performing so to make la space for one interested no work and support it kana nchi thing could dishep fila bang on a constant bonne but there is space for one interested ne o kanate in support and na yele bansi ma kanti ben sha ambiane kama nirba yi kuto zal ben yinga be hankali de kan for zone
no
so initiative ben sha ka nyulin yele be bane
okay
it's about time ka tinyer te ben yahar kama katizan one force push it the band man let the band tabma but chele me jelti too much
yes.
But this is the only dagwan we have and commander the pon yelma so kula to zalle ka be en chwa boys school so the zania tazami kuto tihale naomi nang yiku kariya tenaman tihale
wow
this mizanya la bansi
okay
so why not support take part in activities ma ka at least ben shagba bien den united den tepte nangban yine ka te baza yirna tenande ale health work ka anya ka bantab ma gba bien football gala ma ka she pass through na antenya can necessarily performances man yele
okay
let's have a unique one platform shele at least banis to male in yer tab kan yer so it's an appeal tizaku to tihale now me we akate tihale kan nangale and then change ma has been positive because they are positive tenan ko jitwe it's been positive so why not bring your brand along and then we'll push it with one force
okay so director last bana mo aka kahdala ma aka dite kananga ta boire tapson from sponsorships ne tende boire be na bato boire shel ki re boire ne te yelle te fans be me compter à sanza ne sambane ameshe
donc ma shamiyala tananama ta do na bata shurba bitum liza because the reason why kat nan activities ma kar galsma kat pai be ya shan kar galsma kama da ne plat bola perform ba ka zal performance but bomba yoko to da nama so to ko pala nyasum dane di en chaka golma zane ka jama de nyasum to biaran ne hale na rabuna wanda tam te mala traditional dance night kama eden te dagbang jama karba bia yuno to zana ma
so dem der ko kana che di de ma
dem der ko ka che di dem der ko ka che so de to zana ma tora sumpa eden nabjao ko nyala jama
atenya gawanya atenya
so de zana jama so to shure solo ma chambe to shure nderbe chamnyala to shurla so kam I my support I my support na supporting support wa because to mama la dibo biaranne en haka la arma ko kwam bo besnari hal hankare shaka ya malaka mina zan parte den chanto ne to boarle but tin jinu ngoma sinare yale ton po honorable Alasan Suhine
wow
tamale of MP o yale no nsorte o yale ya no nsorte and me mi o ko nyala token du
okay
o ko to yale kaban no so to pu ya pam ka pai hale ora part hankale ba kale ya no ngoma nguna de non li su kulen chele ka to ku dwelle donc ku dwelle chama so ne hale helpful kuma inshallah nyavle de bianka la fe bien no tinjira ta pakata no so to bon la politicians maza on kamal saha on dimna to so on ba de nyela so kam za hada
MP maza de so kam maliza
so kam so to ko surla so kam so to ko pour Alasan Suhine honorable to pour pa ka pai so no commercial ba
okay senior agwa no mai na azan pa
man mai shele kama biarmani bilo shepolo nyela kama inkan shebon zama sometimes tulema na de yeshema biye ne ni bokana ti yelba and sometimes hale be shebdiane kan bokana ti ne yen yela within these days tan effort shanga ne te pa bo sheba kare ka bo to nyele de bo na easy but bambie mi ba jine ka ne bokana ti yelba but anya initiative sheka na positive didn't try in yet tone down number a security be bigger any ordinary person and so no can nama maybe this is a first timer banka nothing and they bien me banka nothing and bobiza bien so I never shaka non positive aku to bol maka so tama
Daniel.
be come bakana so we are very open and we are appealing to them because it's not easy.
No.
Now so they not easy. They not easy. But so engine like so to shi chawka ya neka wonompoya. Wompo tema anya la tenya dagwambala.
Okay.
And we stand for dagbang. So temekuzame tenku nang sham kamza akarizan shi tenangle. So ben shabe pull it back. But no matter where you are, local authority, bananya politician, philanthropist, any ordinary person can mali support in whichever way, not only financial. Though financial it goes a long way because when you are pambiane, we can't get direct
almost
unless
everything.
we pay. Haliti and wa stage konko, base refreshment, base security konko. What goes into security payment? It's not easy. So
and stay shelters
they use smart. It's not easy.
Tende to all of one to sort of
we set standards because they know that they use Latin punang shele kabone the race bama biela till least we challenge ourselves race bama commander pon ye sha they tune so kana yunla kana you know nyere the same stuff to know nyaka standards smart race biela so they push it among our head and we are praying and we know that now iconic
and manager to kwen nduma ba ko ma kale appeal ta ka amana na chimba because wala ta health work ma to bin yara so no ma to born amana na chimba ma to tin yara invite ma ta kam dia so sen min hale ijongo konko ba izahi na ba ta kai to abin ya so to sufriya na ina sa tidi ma ta support it vinu ma nyara ya twana yile sambar man ka tin lam ama 6 zen chang 7 so tin lam ni man za chang 7 tet za to move because
kadang la
ka down na so to ko surla so kam to bonde so kam ta pala kama ta invite to bunda ko ma da nyara so kam za hadane so to za hayyim na.
All right, to Samani and Sasha Mobet, very important. To our boys, to youth, the way you are the one upon shell. No, me jelly the year to so pan. We like at 10 on yet to you, Gavana Kamaya. Dagban yet. So she to yilla Dagban yilla. Cananto in your fix it to Mangulo by marketing because in general boys will come at Yakama Yilama. In the parent the sham cat enjoyer itala style like iribranchian hard on benyara to then the calvet yilan tasta share the yella kind of number so that's career like up to the power so don't to the power to check about yet bang cat the zoom power kamaya this guy is trying to be like us bets or like but something like Chawboys, Gafara Wiala, Sherifa Tuguno, La unit Benma, Tears Antes Anan Katia, Kasha Kunakaya, Daban Yilambo, Dagabets, Anto Wum this time, you share. Ndiam Yeslim Selma, but Cassim Selma, part 80%, Carton Pam Kurma Slim Selma. I got like some Bisham. So
the madrinye wala ka yarma denye apashala nirma to wa brand nye shamba but don't kunye sham music so come ha kutu nang the same but the problem man nye shamba the fans better dagban wonna ma tenyen mbetere de mamang denye problem habiro ko supporter la dena ma kale tiza ban local
no bwana ya shaya yongo telega mustache when yaram karmala ni nisman yale be kamanyara ni nisa like the mala la yila ma bwabo the wombo de miamya ni nisa
mane advice shem tada male guys so tema then Dana Pina can't the fanfare and I respected that guy so much up to date. And up to date name you are respecting. They have about 2 or 3 guys. Can I score na that guy? Catch a Mad Lion. One other guy, slim guy on Tamlo really. They were doing kama raga, kariye tree raga.
Okay.
Raga bankuno raga shi kariye tree kama kambon seleka bezan and you enjoy it.
Yeah.
So I imitate be I born na enter market shele kama unique next year ya mama tento zang te unwana ben yare zan nang la style and mala blend ma ka bo boy questions ballo ma be nang sim ma ya ka yina so this high and zala akunku kachi but once we fall in line with ben we can't do it better than them. So the selling will be a bit difficult.
Yeah. You come example Kenya
Father.
Decide on the single thing. I believe that one was a bang to go. You see what I'm talking about?
Every year, festivals.
Actually, help program over here.
Wow.
Donc on parle de tradition car. O festival na Denmark, but currently one never new ambition.
So la ko ma kan ko yen maintain it yen ne te be ma wo dia better ban wum de bien. So man ba motivation
and problem ma minyela yango kama weekend pa beka weekend ba. So comes especially the radio and TV people ma. We never discuss live entertainment. Kabone sometimes panda on the beya, and sometimes I wonder what they go to discuss because then about education pam the sector, especially the bands the about education pam. So it's good Kenya nearby very well abreast with the two mama Kamale very good Benoit. So I share bien banala bama nang sam shele hale oy malela intelligence magba kuto shele because bizala bama zane shele professionally it's not allowed unprofessionalism man galisi so hale olan ko hamba so kampum bangala onyi angle shele babinyarle as a general advice be banizan babinyarle onyi and they will shoot it down so denenye then one problem ma entertainment shows ma yaya but bapam biene when I can criticize it, can show that. When can know every benmo, and the basma pambian high area to Asha, madden known too technical. Bamba bonya gamro. They don't know. They don't know.
Our program.
And it's a problem because I tum the tuma be them ko hear music I in the driver nya kaka license. It's too bad.
But the lab and man, never tumda.
Them butum ma. It's not like the butum me. Ma head office ma biene. And high regional office my regional officers ma biene. And they still issue membership cards. Be a member. They ma license. Then you want the membership card ma. Meeting is and be inviting meeting. We go that is share ideas. We be inviting meeting. Madam be there and license man from money. Anywhere can chanka any musician and yama. Marry something to show. And so be members of join them la associate because then yesham is an association. So I your part. The damn funny tabla rame. Ami pa parts. I would did the damn funny. Then me be over na pa yiri.
Okay.
Then me damn fun and gara because it's well recognized. Across the globe.
Be any year masha bianga na biti en samba na cover.
Never don't cover letter nam taba na yare. So why not?
I samba na kanya banta na
and this is all a relationship so.
Now.
But to could deny because upper member. Nearby be nyala members been for years. So be nanta ogba they have to do this. So when the jipanga ka bono cho you mane hello join the car benefit shele. Anytime ko bora bunto nang but purla tan kunye ma behne tabako to deny tabma so la na mala education we still need it yila kama ya shamo ula kati nang zang into position tamanga to yila ka there pass stage shele betin na kujia instrumentation na to ko pai ka te midi yila madin
kama Congo
Katimidi but position lab with certain trends. So no matter when blend and shout, so what can we do to get an identity for the art? We need the education, but we are not getting the platform. We should have platform for other maybe for personal and baby affiliated o ba na o bola an yer ya male ko mi je ya male ma obi bola and in a long run ma it comes to affect the sector negatively kurlate tumama so dan na mu kunyale
on Film Music tagline Twa Boys annual Dagbon Fair Fest 2026 yeto akati zanta na ngoma mbwarma non so he anyela new to this channel think and subscribe ka dibel anytime to drop awesome contents I am pala ben yara pune te sama pun champam so rum pun champam ma te sama pun chang so enta to kwenza la pyongo ka yene La Fire Fest the TN Nala Wamaran so we still have more to do. We promise especially KFTV and Film Music tagline TN Dwella program hal Tinya the junction be it the Dagban Wama health work man when my mama time up on champam so nyongombe sama to kwenso ha makazeti jiba kyongo kale tira ya min Twa Boys mbama abibasi kutire akolana as always Yusuf Abuturuzon ye their producer Siba Haji ngombe MCR ka be shaka pala na peace out.